With all this summer heat coming up, if you're a parent like me, you're really interested in keeping your child's car seat nice and fresh while you're out doing your shopping, doing your grocery runs. So if you're interested in doing that, we have there's this cool reflector that will help you keep your child's seat nice and cool. It's really easy to use. You open it and then you unwrap it. And if you unwrap it, if you see on the back here, it comes with a simple clip. You can clip that to the back of the headrest. You open it up and then you clip it to the back of the headrest and you spread it out on your child's car seat, and it will help reflect the sun and keep the car seat nice and fresh while you're doing the things you need to do. So as you can see, it just goes clipped right to the back of the headrest here. After you have it clipped on, it's just a matter of opening it up over both sides of the car seat. You open it up, and as you can see, it covers the entire car seat to keep it nice and fresh. So when you come back to your car on a hot day, your child's car seat will be nice and fresh, and they won't have to worry about sitting uncomfortably for the ride.